Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let's discuss how many hashtags to use on X. So X application itself recommends using no more than 2 hashtags per one post. And yeah, that's basically true that you have to use 1 or maximum 2 relevant hashtags, because if you use 3 or more hashtags per one post, and it can make your post look cluttered and it looks like spammy post, if it makes sense, which often leads to reduced engagement. So you just have to focus on selecting 2 high quality and relevant hashtags over using a large quantity, because we want quality and not quantity. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.